Hello everybody, today we'll show you how you can make this kind of viral artificial hair and beard effect easily, which is now very trending in TikTok. So further ado, let's start. At first go to Play Store. Then search CapCut. Install the application. After installation, we need another application, named as FaceApp. So install FaceApp application too. After installation, open it. If you want to use all pro features of this application, you have to pay for it. If you don't want to pay, then tap on this cross icon. Now tap on this gallery option, then select your picture. After load completely, you will find some option here. So use them for artificial hair and beard. After add hair, let's add beard. If you want to use all pro effect, then collect the apps from Google or inbox my Facebook page. I will try to provide you. But for this time, let's try all free effect. After customization, save it. Now go to TikTok. Tap on search bar. Then search Teknisk Velder as shown. Tap on the Hairy Guys video. Tap on the option of CapCut, try this template. It automatically take you to CapCut application. Tap on Use Template in CapCut option. Now at first select the picture, which one you edit from FaceApp application. Then select the original one. Done. Now export it. If you want to share it immediately, Then tap on Share to TikTok option. Add sound from here. After select sound, tap on Next. Type tag or caption as your demand. Then post. That's all for today. If you enjoyed our video, then subscribe us for more.